Dear students, now let us take some problems based on the sigma n square and sigma n cube and use of the formula. Now, previously I recall that we can do the algorithm of doing these type of questions as the first one as the first step you can have recognize the pattern and write the journal down. Write the journal down. That I may write it as AK or AN. The journal down. And in the second step, I take sigma operator on this journal down. I use in the third step the properties of sigma, which we have discussed earlier, the three properties. We'll apply these properties and simplify sigma in separate terms. And then fourth, we'll make use of special series formulae. And fifth step, we'll simplify the result. These 5 steps we will be following in doing these type of special series formula. I have divided the problems in 3 subtypes. Let me take a few simple ones first of all. The first one, you can see that we want to find the sum of 5 square plus 6 square plus 7 square up till 20 square. We have already learned the formula for sigma k square, k running from 1 to n as n into n plus 1 into n plus 1 by 6. We have seen there all terms squares, natural number squares, but they are starting with 5 square. Let me write this as S name, and because the first 4 terms are missing, so I will be adding 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square and all the terms remaining as it is and subtracting the same. I have added all these 4 terms and I will subtract the same terms to complete the series. Now, this first expression in first bracket can be written as sigma k square, where k is running from 1 to 20 in this, and then minus, you can simplify it or you may also write it as sigma k square, k running from 1 to 4. Now, if I apply this formula over here, when k is running from 1 to 20, I have to replace n by 20. So, this will be your 20 into 20 plus 1 into 40 plus 1 by 6 minus, and in this I will replace by 4. 4 into 5 into 9 by 6. Now, if I simplify 20, 21, 41 by 6, this is minus, this is 30, this is 2870 minus 30, that is 2840. So, this is the required sum for this given series. Let me take the second one. This is your 10 cube plus 11 cube plus 12 cube plus up till 20 cube. As we have done in the previous question, there are first 9 terms missing, say. So, I will be adding 1 cube, 2 cube to 9 cube. These plus 10 cube and so on up till 20 cube, keeping in one bracket and subtracting 1 cube, 2 cube till 9 cube, because we have added on our own, so we will have to subtract. So again, this is your sigma k cube, k running from 1 to 20 minus sigma k cube and k running from 1 to 9. Now we know the formula for sigma n cube, that is your n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. I may write it as sigma k cube, k running from 1 to n, or simply it may be written as sigma n cube also. It is understood we are starting with n k as 1. Now this further may be written as 20 into 21 by 2 whole square. Applying this formula and then minus, this is 9 into 10 by 2 whole square. So we are left with, this is 2 tens are This is 210 square minus 45 square. So this is your a square minus b square. I can apply 210 plus 45 into 210 minus 45. That comes out to be 255 into 165. That comes out to be, after some calculation, as this answer. Now let us 1 cube minus 2 cube plus 3 cube minus 4 cube plus up till 9 cube. Now what do you observe over here? These terms are having alternate signs. So what we will be doing? We can complete like this by adding and subtracting. Means the terms which are subtracting, I'll add those like this. And same terms I will be subtracting. So this is your minus 2 times 2 cube plus 4 cube plus 6 cube plus 8 cube. Till here we have added and subtracted 2 cube plus 4 cube plus 6 cube plus 8 cube. So that we have subtracted. So already it was in subtraction. So there is 2 times. So again we can see in the first bracket I am having sigma k cube, k running from 1 to 9 minus 2 times. Now again you can see some of the pattern. This 2 cube may be taken common. So we will be left with 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube. I have written this as 2 into 1. This as 2 into 2 whole cube, 2 into 3 whole cube, and this has 2 into 4 whole cube. So if I take this 2 cube common from all these, so we are left with this. Now this is further sigma k cube, k running from 1 to 9 minus 2 into 2 cube 16 times. This is sigma k cube, k running from 1 to 4. So this formula we have the same here we have applied. This is 9 into 10 by 2 whole square minus 16 into, this is 4 into 5 by 2 whole square. So this is your 45 square minus 1600. That is your 2025 minus 1600. 425 is the answer. Now let us take the fourth question in this video, and that is yours. If n is even, here the condition is given, n is even. Up to n terms, the last term is even number. Then find the sum of n terms of the series. Now we are again having a pattern. 1 square minus 2 square plus 3 square minus 4 square plus 5 square minus 6 square plus dash. If we are going up to n terms, so second but last term is n minus 1 square and the last term will be n square and this is plus. So actually we are having the given expression as this much, and now if I pair expression with 2 terms each, if I write like this, so what can I see? This is a square minus b square again here. So I can write 1 plus 2 into 1 minus 2. Then again 3 plus 4 into 3 minus 4. Then next also 5 plus 6 into 5 minus 6 and so on up till n minus 1 plus n and n minus 1 minus. So what you can see over here in this product form, this is always 1. This is also always, so minus 1, minus 1. This is also minus 1. This is also getting cancelled. This is also giving as minus 1. So this minus 1 can be taken common from all the terms. Now inside we are left with 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 and so on up till this has n minus 1 plus n. These all terms I have written separately. So this is the previous term and this is the last. Again you can see in the bracket, this is 1, 2, 3. All the terms, all natural numbers are going from 1 to n. So this is your actually sigma k, k running from 1 to n. In sigma form it can be written like this, and we know the formula for this as n into n plus 1 by 2. So this is your answer for the series, given series. Thank you.